have so much laundry this week. So much that I don't even know where to start. So it's this basket, it's this two, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, plus all of this that is sitting here. And these what you see here and this that you see here are 2 days laundry. This one is last week's laundry, which is it's a lot, guys, it's a lot, but let's get it done. Majority of this laundry here needs to be folded, so please fold with me. Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. So in today's video, as we have seen, that we are doing laundry. So guys, I have 2 weeks laundry. Mainly the reason is just life has been happening, life is hectic. Yeah, so finally got time to catch up. So this is me catching up here. Though in the white basket, the one you see I'm putting some of the clothes in, those are for ironing, which I won't be doing on this video. So what are we doing here today? We are folding. How I usually make my life easy when I'm folding so that I don't get overwhelmed. I firstly just separate the clothes. I put the things that need to be ironed on a separate basket, and then I separate our clothes in the house. Like we are a family of 4, so I put my daughter's clothes alone, I put my son's clothes alone, and then I put mine and my husband's clothes in one basket, and then I fold it according to that. And then it gets easy because mine and my husband's clothes, they go in one room, so I fold those clothes, and then and then I do the kids' clothes, and then it's just easy. I don't feel it, if I'm just being honest. That's how I've always manage my folding. When it's just piled up all in front of me, believe you me, I get so overwhelmed. I don't even know where to start. And after finishing up all that, I also separate the towels. I put the towels alone. I put the socks and other small things alone. Then I tackle things per category, so it just gets easy for me like that. So I hope you stick around, you get motivated. And I've been missing doing these vlogs. I think I'm finally just going back to doing these vlogs, and I have only 2 people to thank for that, because I was kind of like over these vlogs, especially cleaning and laundry. But the more I watch these 2 people's videos, which is Sister Adele and Quality Made, so yeah, they've just motivated me to, like, at the beginning when I started this YouTube, this is what I used to upload, before I was, into this YouTube, and you check what other people are uploading, and your head just get mixed up, and trying to improve also, your niche, and trying to reach that standard, which we really don't know which standard we're running to reach, because if people, they're gonna like you, regardless of what you upload, I guess. So yeah, but anyway, this is my life, this is what I do, and I am a mom, I am a wife, I am a driver, guys. I'm a taxi driver. Let's just not forget that. As much I can say I'm a stay-at-home mom, one thing that will make my work as a homemaker, it would be disturbed in somehow, whatever I can try to plan. But in my planning, I always have to put that I have to be out of the house 50% of the time, up and down in the road, picking up the kids, dropping off the kids. Yeah, I'm telling you, when holidays comes, I'm the happiest woman ever, because I get to rest, guys. I'm not a lover of driving. I do it because I have to. Yeah, guys, I mentioned that because seriously, I hate that I have to go out of the house. Yeah, and I'm a chef, guys. I'm a tailor. I'm a I don't know. I'm a lot of things. I'm a lot of things in one. Yeah, and I'm just here sharing my life with you guys. Anyway, this is where I'm just going to end talking. Please stick around. Let's fold. Take your basket wherever it's been sitting, or your laundry wherever it's been sitting. Let's fold it, guys. So here I am starting to fold my things and my husband's things that are going to my room. It's mainly pajamas, things that you wear under the dresses, tights, all the things that don't need to be ironed. Majority of the time, it's things that we wear in the house. So that's how I have lessen my work, that I do not iron everything. If I'm going to be wearing it inside the house, then there's no need to be ironed unless it's extremely wrinkled. It really needs an ironer. Otherwise, I just fold it. And anyway, if you fold like how I fold, by the time you take it, even if it was a bit wrinkled, it will have stretched a bit because of how it was sitting in a nice condition. Like, you know, when clothes are piled up together and somehow, I don't know, somehow it gets unwrinkled. Let me just say that. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next upload. Don't forget to give the video a like, share the video to whoever you think would be motivated, whoever that have so much laundry just like me. Let them play my video while they do their laundry. That will just motivate them to keep on doing the laundry. That's why we are here, right, guys? To give motivation, to say, you know what, I am not perfect, and you know what, I have days where I have laundry for days and it's been piling and piling, but let's make sure that we give time to sort it out, that laundry at the end of the day. It doesn't matter, maybe you get to it after 2 weeks, but you need to get up into that laundry. So that's the motivation here in this video. Let's fold, and yeah, let's keep our wardrobes looking neat, and our basket empty if we can, and whenever we can. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on my next upload. Bye bye.